Hi guys, it's Miss Grace with this week's Grab and Go activity. So you can stop by either Pickerington Main or Sycamore Plaza to pick up your bag. And I planned something for us to kind of get us in the mood and ready for summer. So one of my favorite things to do in the summer is to kind of plant a garden, plant some flowers. I like to do all of those. So I prepared a bag so you can kind of do some of the things that I like to do in the summer. So this is our garden and a glove. So you're going to get your bag, and inside your bag, you're going to have your instructions in case you need to go back and reference it, but it's a pretty easy project. And then also in the bag, you are going to get out of here. You are going to get a plastic glove. I bet you've never planted anything in a plastic glove before. So this is a food service glove. It's a little bit different than like a glove you might see the doctors wear, which are really tight on their hands. So this is a little looser, which is what we need for this project. You will get a bag of seeds. Now, there are different seeds in the different bags, but you'll have the same one in yours. So this one is all green beans. You might get a bag that might have all, trying to think what else I put in there, peppers, or maybe all pumpkin. So you're gonna have a different variety, peas, of what you're gonna get. So we have 5 green beans in this bag. And then you're gonna get 5 cotton balls and 1 rubber band. Super easy project. All you gotta do is take your cotton balls, get them wet with some water, squeeze out all the extra water. You don't want it to be too wet, so you've got to squeeze out that water. Then you're going to slowly kind of spread open your cotton ball. You're going to take one of your seeds. You're going to put it inside the cotton ball, kind of wrap it up inside there like a little blanket, make it like a little burrito and a little filling in a burrito. Make it like a little blanket there. And then you're going to take that cotton ball with your seed inside, and you're going to tuck it right down into your glove. So then it'll look like this. And you're going to do that for each one of your fingers. Cotton ball with the seed, moist 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 cotton ball with the seed, and a moist cotton ball with the seed. You're going to have 5 cotton balls with seed. Then you're going to take it, you're going to blow a little bit of air inside. So you're going to go blow that air in. It needs a little bit of air in there to kind of help it grow. You have a little space in there. Then you're going to take your rubber band the glove shut. So that's going to create kind of like a little bit of a greenhouse effect. If you've ever seen a greenhouse, where the moisture gets trapped inside. You don't want the moisture to escape your glove. You want it trapped inside the glove, so that moisture will help your seeds to kind of grow. And then what you're going to do after you rubber band it, you're going to take it to a nice sunny window in your house. So find the sunniest window you can in your house. And you're going to take this glove to the window. And then you're going to watch and see what happens. I bet you already know what's going to happen. So after just a couple days, check on it every day, because I already did this here at the library. And after just a couple days, I could start to see a seed. The seeds start to open and the plants start to come out of my seed. So keep an eye on it every day. Check on it to see how big that it's growing. After your plant gets just a little bit big, maybe about an inch or 2. If you want, you can take that cotton ball and the seed out very, very gently and very carefully. And you can try and transplant it, put it in some dirt and either a little tiny pot, or you can, if it's still cold outside, I'd keep that little tiny pot inside. If it's warm enough outside, you can take it outside, plant it in your garden, just set the pot outside on your porch. If you don't have a garden, that works too. And see if you can get your plant to grow even more. So maybe by the middle of summer, if you had the green bean bag, you could have yourself some green beans. And then you could go out, pick some green beans and make some for lunch or for dinner. And I like to roast my green beans in the oven, tastes delicious. So if you like gardening like I do, and you want some good gardening ideas, stop on by the library. We have some gardening books that can help you to create some different kinds of gardens. different kinds of plants. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy one of my favorite activities, gardening. All right,